So 138 and a 90-yard field in front of Matthew Stafford. He's thrown for 2 first-half touchdowns. All 3 of his possessions in the first half went for points. Stafford in the gun. Calls for the snap. Sets his feet and fires. Tight right, Cooper Kupp at the 15. Turns upfield to the 20. Breaks a tackle to the 24. Late third quarter, 23 seconds remaining in third down and more than 10. From their own 22, they need 12. Stafford has it, belt high, back to pass. Protection holds up. He lets it go deep, down the middle. Cooper Kupp at the Detroit 40, left sideline 30. He gets through one to the 20. Oh, in crunch time on third and long. Who else but third down and Cooper Kupp. That's huge. Good snap on third down and 10. Stafford out the left side, slings it to the 5. Higbee makes the catch. First and goal, Higgs. Stafford goes under center. Brings Cooper Kupp in motion from his left side. Straight back drop, throw right. Caught by Kupp at the pylon. He goes airborne. He got in! Touchdown, Cooper Kupp. Touchdown, LA! Rams will go for 2. Stafford, with 10 on the play clock, is ready. Ryan Allen, his center, will send it back. He calls for the snap. It's a little pop pass. Sweeping left to right. Robert Woods takes it in untouched. Dashing from left to right. A little touch pass from Stafford to Bobby Trees. A touchdown and a 2-point conversion for the lead early fourth quarter.
Got him, boys. Head back down. Hey, way to get his hands down. He wanted to jump and tip that on the fire. You got him.